Hey guys, Jeff here with Fat Kids Barbecue. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing garlic Parmesan chicken wings. So we're going to start out with our chicken wings. We're going to take our wings, toss them in a little bit of EVO. We've got the Weber grill outside warmed up. So just a little bit of EVO. We'll put some salt and pepper on them. We're going to grill these guys today. Typically I smoke them. But I thought, why not do them pretty quick today? So we had some salt and pepper on there. Toss them around. I think I'll add a little bit of garlic to it just for fun. You can't go wrong with garlic. Oh, love that aroma. So, alright, we'll set these guys aside while our grill's warming up. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to make a copycat recipe of a garlic Parmesan cream sauce. And that's going to be used to dip our wings in. We start out with a half a cup of mayonnaise. Get that going. Then we need a tablespoon of olive oil. One teaspoon of sugar. I will put this recipe down below. We can't forget the Parmesan cheese. So the recipe is calling for 2 tablespoons. So that's pretty close. A teaspoon of lemon juice. I wanted to use fresh lemon, but I forgot it at the store. So we'll just use this guy that we keep around, just in case. Now it's calling for some kosher salt. Some black pepper. Some dried oregano. Some basil. Thyme. I have all the time in the world to make this one. That joke never gets old. A little crushed red pepper. And now some roasted garlic. So I bought roasted garlic. I didn't have enough time to make the roasted garlic that I wanted to. So what you can do, and I've done this before, is you get the smoker going and you get your garlic and you get it right on the smoker. Smoked roasted garlic is unbelievable. Maybe I'll do a video on how you do that. Let's see how this is. Oh, my goodness, is that amazing. This guy's going to be fantastic. So, alright, well our grill's warmed up. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator and we'll get our wings out onto the grill. Alright guys, so our wings grilled up really quick. It only took about 20 to 30 minutes to get these guys done. We had the Weber grill going at about 350, 375, and you know those Weber gas grills, they kind of crank themselves up, so it was probably closer to 400 degrees. These things look amazing. I can't wait to give them a try. Let's see how we did. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, is that flavor fantastic. Unbelievable. I've done wings in the smoker, in the Traeger. I've done them on the PK grill. I've done them on the Cowboy grill. Now I've done them on the Weber. Of course I've done them in oil. Everybody's deep fried wings. We haven't done them in the air fryer. I gotta put these grilled wings right up at the top of the list. Wow. Are they good? I could eat them without that sauce. But why? That garlic creamy Parmesan sauce is unbelievable. Amazing. Alright guys, if you like what you see, please click that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. And come back and see what we're cooking next week. Thanks guys. Oh. Wow. I guess I can double dip. Unbelievable.